after being shafted so many times on this banner.
I thought I'd try my luck one last time to see if I can land this son of a bitch.
I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it.
Another one.
I want to feel like it's raining on me. Okay?